beautiful forest and heathlands, home for wild horses, donkeys, deers. Today we are walking in New Forest. The New Forest is the largest national park in southern England. The national parks covers slightly less than 600 square kilometers area, and it's got about 20 million visitors each year. The main activities for the visitors are hiking and cycling, and you could find a lot different routes. Some of the routes more difficult, some less, some of them shorter, some of them longer. So there is app for the New Forest, and you could find all information there. Also, you could find picnic areas and parking spaces for the cars. So basically, it's very civilized, and it's a very beautiful place for walking, running, cycling, like I said. And what I like about it, it's so many people, but you feel like you are just alone, and these giants around. It was proclaimed a royal forest by William Conqueror, and it was hunting ground for many English kings. It's so beautiful and quiet, and you can see just beautiful light, majestic trees, and singing birds. I can see first wild horse. Actually, I'm not sure are they horses or ponies, but they definitely smaller than horses and bigger than ponies. For me, they are cute, compact, and sweet, but I'm not sure 100% who they are. Maybe somebody knows. Please, in this case, leave your comment under this video. They are not scared of humans, but they doing something to show, don't get closer. You are not very welcome. Look at this beauty, so graceful. The woodlands are covering about 400 square kilometers of the national park. We found a deer. It is quite big herd, but we can't see it closer, so sorry for the picture. Oh, it's point more. How many of them? Look, this is so. And the rabbit doesn't pay attention. He's just sitting and eating. Yeah, jumping. You see? Now it's jumping. These grills are installed to prevent walking animals on the road and parking spaces. But some residents of National Park quite often put it in the front of their gardens just to prevent animals to go closer. Because who knows, one morning you could get up and your front garden will be eaten by the guests. Next day we visited the heathlands. We hoped to find a donkey and ponies. These two were discussing something very loud, and after that they had agreement and decided to stay together. This is very sweet. Beautiful views many miles around. I had some croutons in my bag. I was closer and they started to show interest. Probably here they quite often have offers. Who knows? They definitely appreciated my croutons. They were asking, any more? Any more? But in that moment, my husband said, what actually there is somewhere adverts not to feed animals. So guys, let's eat. Sorry. Very friendly, very sweet. Still hoping to get something else. You can see collars on their necks, and this is just light reflectors. This is necessary precautions because they are walking in the dark and could be hit by the cars. They are absolutely free spirit and free range. Okay, it's time to leave them alone. It was cold, windy, and also I could see very dark and promising clouds. Also, I wanted to show you what this is, the recreation land. You can see small plants just popping through, and old erica plants are destroyed. The soil here is very poor and not too many plant species could grow here, but this unique environment should be protected. Frozen to death and tired, but very happy, we are going home. We were renting small place in Lymington. Lymington is very pretty and interesting place to stay and see around. But frankly saying, a lot of places, small villages and couple of small towns in the national park are very, very pretty. The place offering a lot. It doesn't matter how the weather will be friendly to you. You always could find what to do and what to see. Even if it's very, very bad, you could just find cozy restaurant or cafe and get very nice cup of tea. It was another very successful day of our short holiday. Thank you very much for staying with us, for traveling with us and enjoying with us. If you like it, don't forget subscribe for much more. I will very appreciate if you will leave your comment and put thumb up. And now it's time to say goodbye and see you next time.